Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, new product in, and this is from iWalk, and it's linked me for in pink 4,500 mAh battery, and it charges your iPhone and charges iPods as well. So this is it here in the packaging here, and it's got 4.5 mAh batteries. It says there, and model number DBL4500L, which again is on the front there. So it's a docking battery for iPhone. So what we're going to do is unbox it first and then take it off and see what it's like for the spin. It's one for the ladies in pink anyway. And we have another tag there. And there we go. This is what it looks like here. And what else we get inside? We get a booklet. Just going to zoom back out, and some little bits and pieces here. So you've got your customer care and the global leader of docking battery, unique portable essential since 2008, and that's basically it's about the company, and your welcome guide in there as well. So you get your USB-A, USB-C to charge it. This does have pass-through, so you can charge while it's being used as well, which is quite handy. And this is it here. So you've got your lightning connection here at the end. And we have got a button on the side. And you've got your USB-C port on this side here. And that's basically it. All there is to it. A simple product to use and get going. So we're going to get it going in a minute, and we'll be back after the break. Okay, so we are back with our iPhone 14 Pro, and we've also got our new piece of kit to look at here, which is certainly a nice colour for the ladies, and it's got a nice cap here to protect it as well and not in use. You can also see an LED status up here on front, and the thing is, this is more of a fashion approach rather than your standard blocks, which come for your portable chargers and so on, and this is quite nice. So this will fit in a handbag, it'll fit in your pocket, and all that kind of stuff, which is really cool. And you can give your full phone a charge, no problem with this. It can keep you out of harm's way if you're running out of juice, because there's still people that suffer with battery anxiety, so this will certainly solve that. This also comes in a nice range of colours as well, and it's got white, black, pink, blue and red if you're looking for other colours, which is really cool. So the overall here at the front here is it's a small package, and it looks really nice as well. And as mentioned, it's got pass through for you to use as well, so you can actually just pop it in, and this is just how it works. And you can use your phone as well while it's in there charging, and you can see there that it is charging up on top. So we'll take it out again and pop it in, and you can see there our phone's almost dead, and it's charging there, which is pretty cool. And that's basically what it's going to look like there, and overall that's just what it looks like, and it's nice and neat and portable, which is the main thing, which is what you really need to know. So what we'll do is we'll drop a link below to where you can pick it up and check it out. It is really cool and really nice looking, but this particular colour here will be for the ladies, and if you know one in your life, it's something you can pick up for them and check it out. And again, you just charge it in there and job is done. Simple as that, and that's about it. So stay tuned for more on techinsoil.com, and we'll see you in the next video.